3, 2, 1, 0.
All L40 engines generating nominal thrust. S139 motor ignited.
Speed tracking.
GSLV
Lift off
F-16
normal.
NISAR mission. The deafening roar of GSLV and beautiful silhouette brightening the Sriharikota sky.
Performance normal.
A satellite that can see even the smallest changes on Earth. A mission so powerful that even China and Pakistan will have to think twice before making a move. This is NISAR, a joint space mission by India and NASA, and it could change everything. So what is NISAR? NISAR stands for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. It will be the first satellite in the world to carry two types of radar, L-band and S-band, on one spacecraft. That means it can scan Earth's surface with incredible accuracy. Even small changes in the ground can be detected from space. NASA has provided with one radar, whereas India's ISRO is providing the other. Apart from that, ISRO has provided with the satellite, and India also launched it using its GSLV rocket.
F-16 प्रमोचक यान DAB से UT की तरफ लाया जा रहा है, umbilical tower की तरफ.
But why does NISAR matters to India? NISAR will be a huge asset for India in many ways. First of all, disaster management. It can track earthquakes, floods, landslides and more, giving early warnings and saving lives. Secondly, agriculture and water monitoring. It can help track crop patterns, soil moisture and even underground water, helping Indian farmers. Third, climate change tracking. Melting glaciers, shrinking forests, coastal erosion, all can be monitored regularly. Fourth, and the most important, is border surveillance. This is where it gets strategic. NISAR can detect even minor movements along India's borders, whether it is China, Pakistan or anywhere else. With NISAR, India will have eyes in the sky 24/7.
यहाँ अभी आपने देखा चारों L40 तथा 4 बूस्टर हैं.
NISAR is not just a satellite, it's a symbol of India's rise in the space world. India will have independent access to high-resolution Earth data, no longer relying on foreign satellites. It will also give India an edge in global climate diplomacy by providing valuable environmental data to the world. It also boosts ISRO's capability to work on future planetary and advanced missions. Last but not the least, it will help ISRO because ISRO is working as an equal partner with NASA, and this puts India in a league of top space powers. Whether it's a glacier in the Himalayas or a bunker along the border, nothing will go unnoticed now. NISAR is India's new space weapon for peace, protection and progress. Share this if you believe India's space journey deserves more attention. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
History has been written today as NISAR has been placed in the orbit successfully.